Next, we're going to cover how to letter your comic strips to put words onto your page. Basically, I recommend doing your lettering very similar to how you've done the rest of your comic strips, starting off with your blue pencil. Now, you could have a problem here if you have a problem doing lots of lettering. If you have, shall we say, atrocious handwriting. If you have atrocious handwriting, another option to this is getting some stencils. And that can also basically help spare you from having to go through and letter yourself. But if you're up to the challenge and you don't mind lettering, it's pretty easy. Just generally try to make all the letters right about the same size. Essentially, they're in all caps. There are no lower cases. You don't want that at all. That can get very hard to read. And in addition, you always want to make sure that you're writing in print, not in cursive, because again, kind of like the swoops and curves of cursive can also be very hard to read.